Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your screen is not fitting to your display on Windows 11. So go on down to the Windows Start button right here and select this and go on over to Settings. Now on the top, let's go on over to System, then select Display right here, and then choose your monitor. So I have 3 different monitors. I'm going to go to monitor number 3, then go on down under here and go to where it says Scaling. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure the text is the appropriate size. So on my 1080p monitor, I typically leave it at 100%. But on my 4K monitor, I leave it at 200% so the text is easier to read. Then you can go to Display Resolution, and you can increase the resolution to the maximum resolution capable of your monitor. I would suggest just keeping that at the recommendation. So you can see my 4K monitor is a different recommendation than my 1080p monitor. Then you can change the orientation of the monitor right here, portrait, landscape, flipped. Then you can go on down to where it says advanced display right here, and we can change the refresh rate. So this one only goes up to 60 Hertz, but I believe it is capable of 120. So just go in here and change the scaling and the resolution, and you should be good to go. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.